Photo editing has always been both an art and a science. Finding the right tools, adjusting details, and still feeling like something's missing. I've spent years trying different software, from Photoshop to Lightroom, each with their own learning curve. But then I heard about the AI photo editor, Fotor AI, which promises powerful edits with just a few clicks. So I decided to test it out myself and see if it's truly as simple as they say. Let's dive in. Introducing Fotor AI, not just an image editor. It's a complete solution for designers. Here you can generate images for text prompts, customize your images, swap faces between images, generate lifelike headshots, generate videos, and many more. I will put the link in the description. Just head over here and create an account. It's super simple. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you will find various tools to create and edit your images. First of all, let's create an image and then customize it to make it perfect. Before going deep, let me introduce another amazing AI-powered design platform called Hitems. It provides one-click product generation and delivery solutions. Yes, you can design a product from a text prompt and make it real. It can be a great source of income. Let's see how it works. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, you will find various product designs created by others. To create your own, click on the Get Started button from here. Here, you will find two options: Text to Design and Edge Reference. Let's start with Text to Design. Now here in this box, we have to enter the text prompt. If you are confused about the prompt, click here to get a format. Now we have to customize the prompt. First of all, the product type. Select your product type from here. After that, the material. Next, we have the shape of the design. And in the end, we have to select a design type. You will find several options every time and just have to choose the perfect one for your design. At the bottom of the prompt box, you will find several elements such as gemstone and description. Play with them to design your product perfectly. Once everything is set, hit the Design button. After waiting a little while, we got these designs. And honestly speaking, the result is amazing. I love it. Using this method, you can create any kind of jewelry and other product designs like this. Okay, here with the Edge Reference feature, you can turn any object into your preferred design. Alright, the most interesting feature of Hitems is the Make It Real option. Yes, you can turn your design into a real product. If you want your product design in physical form, visit your profile and select a suitable design that you made. Then, simply download it and open Discord from here. Accept the invitation and open the inbox, customization ticket. Then send them your detailed info and collect it from them. So why are you waiting? Create your design and grab it. Alright, let's come back to the video. So, select the AI Image Generator option from here. This is the Fotor AI Image Generator interface. We have to enter the text prompt in this box. I am entering an example prompt. Next, you can add negative prompts here. Now you can hit the Generate button to generate the images. But before that, let's talk about some customization features. Here under the Generate button, you will find the aspect ratio. Set the aspect ratio as per your need. After that, the number of images you want to generate. Next, the style. This is a very interesting feature. You can set a particular style from this vast library to generate images, so you don't need to spend more time on prompting. For example, I select the Photography 4 style from here and then hit the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the images. And here it is, you can see that Fotor generates 4 images for us. And the quality of the images is just amazing. Now in the same method, you can create images in other styles. You can create designs for t-shirts, tattoos, and even other print-on-demand products. That's amazing. To download any image, simply click on the download button from here. Alright, now let's move forward to the photo editing. To edit any image, just select Open the image, and then click on the edit icon from here. You will find various editing options. Another way to access the editor is by selecting the AI Photo Editor feature from here. This is the Fotor AI Photo Editor interface. Now you can upload the image here. Once the image is uploaded, come to the right side. Here these are the AI Editor features. First of all, if your image quality is low, then you can enhance it by one click. Our image has been enhanced. Here you can see the before and after versions. That's amazing. If your image resolution is low, you can use the AI Upscaler option. Simply click on the AI Upscaler option, and your image will be upscaled automatically. To see the before and after versions, move this slider. You can download the image by clicking here, and to save the image in the canvas, click on the Apply button from here. Our next feature is the Magic Eraser. With this feature, you can erase any unwanted object from your object. For example, I want to remove this dog from this image. So, what do I need to do? Click on the Open Image from here, and then upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, select the Magic Eraser option. Now we have to select the area we want to remove. There are two selection options: Brush tool to select the area manually, and the Quick tool to select the area by clicking on the object. Once the object is selected, click on the Remove button. And here it is. The dog has been removed, and the result is just amazing. You can't even notice that there was an object. That's really amazing. Now if you want to remove the background, then you have to use this BG Remover tool. Once you select the tool, your image background will be removed automatically. Here you can select the type of subject to keep your subject in the frame. You can notice that, when I select the common option from here, the dog remains in the image. But when I select the person option, the dog is removed from the option. However, if still you have issues, then you can modify the area from here. In the end, you can add a shadow from here. Alright, our next feature is very interesting. With this tool, you can unblur any blurred face. After uploading the image, select the Face Unblur option. And this is our result image. Isn't it a great feature? Next, with the AI Skin Retouch feature, you can retouch the face and make it perfect like this. After uploading the image, click on the AI Skin Retouch option. And this is the before and after version. Alright, our next option is an AI image generator. We talked about this feature earlier. The next feature is to generate AI headshots. This feature is very helpful to the social media influencer. You can create 100 images with the same face with just a single click. Simply come to the AI headshot generator page. Here you will find two options: individual and team. Yes, you can create headshots for your team too. Today, let's see how the individual headshot works. First of all, you have to select the gender and then hit the Start Generating button. On the next page, choose the image styles you want to use. Once done, hit the Continue button. Now you have to upload the face image. Once the image is uploaded, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the image. And here it is. You can see Fotor AI generates 40 images. And all the images have similar faces. That's awesome. Now imagine, you want to create a cartoon version of one of your images. Then you can use the AI filter option. Once you select the feature, you will find various filters. Just select the one you want. For example, I am selecting Anime 1. And you can see that our image has been turned into an anime image. In this method, you can turn your image into a sketch, clay, or any other version. Okay, the next feature is AI artwork. With this feature, you can turn your realistic images into various art styles. Here you will find various trendy art styles. You have to upload your image and then choose one of the styles from here. It will take some time to create the art form. This is our result image. Fotor did a great job. I like it. So, now you can turn yourself into any art style with the Fotor AI photo editor. Alright? Now imagine, you are facing challenges with the image size. To solve this issue, you can use the AI Expand feature. For example, I want to turn this image into a square aspect ratio. After uploading the image, come to the AI Expand feature. Once you are on this page, come to the Custom Size. Here set the value of your desired aspect ratio. After that, set the image size and position. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here is the result image. I am just amazed by the result. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. If you like the result, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, there is another interesting feature called AI Replace. With this feature, you can replace any object from the image. For example, here I want to add a photo frame of Mona Lisa. I am selecting the area. After that, I need to describe my needs. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. AI generated 2 images for us. You have to just select one of them. Now imagine, you have an old torn photo and you want to refine the image. After uploading the image, select the Old Photo Restore feature from here. Now you will find 2 options: Photo Restore and Colorize. I will use both of the features. Click on the Start button from here. After waiting some time, I got this result. And I love it. Next, if your image has any text and you want to remove it, then you can use this text remover option. After selecting the text remover feature, click on the Apply button. If you are not satisfied with the result, then you can use the brush option to remove the text. Okay, now if you want to blur your background, then use the Blur Background feature from here. To change the background, use the Change Background feature. And if you want to generate a new background with AI, then use the AI Background option. This feature is very useful for creating product photos. After coming to this page, select a background preset from here and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our new image with a different background is ready. There is another very important feature available here called AI Hairstyle. With this feature, you can change the hairstyle of any character. After coming to this page, select the character's gender and then select a hairstyle. Here you can choose the hair color. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. The character with the new hairstyle is ready. That is not the end. You will find all the legacy photo editing features on Fotor, such as crop, resize, color adjustment, and many more. Actually, there are so many tools and features available on Fotor, and all of them are not possible to cover in one video. Not only images, you can generate videos from text prompts and turn any image into videos with Fotor. In conclusion, Fotor is a complete tool for designers. If you are one of them, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating images with Fotor. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!